coronavirus that I'm definitely gonna get it. What's happening?
What's up, Shibam, my man?
Just experimenting with the poses of the characters. Batman, dynamic pose. This is the baller. It is an ad for the Red Bull. Just 15 seconds.
What are you doing?
Passion project. Oh fuck.
Play, yaar.
I'm trying to make it play, yaar. Oh, I know what is happening. Okay?
With the rest of them.
Stay tuned. No, I made it, but I don't want to show them.
Sure. Sunday.
Yeah, I started making it yesterday. How am I gonna play it? There's Luna! Ma. Work in progress.
Cute. Nice. Coronavirus ni ngai dante ni ben. Ni khan lo.
Anh đi tóc nữa. Thì chuông rồi. Chuông rồi.
Kevin's new scooter.
See, mama. No hands.
What is this?
Auto stop feature. What the fuck, wow.
The best, simple and the best.
The next 10 days, next 15 days is a very crucial time. Most importantly because of the exponential growth opportunity of the virus. So you have to realize that when we say, and this is an option we are going to give all of you, is to work from home. This is predominantly so that you guys can further socially isolate yourself from people and scenarios of public transport or public meeting. All of you will be taking your machines home. Communication will continue. It's all about right now. It's about the next 15 days for us to know exactly how India is going to react to it. All right, have fun. Lockdown. You can't say
I think call you on Vedon. Next scenery.
Come on, Teddy, I'm not even
We don't know when are we gonna see each other. This entire
No, don't know me, Steve. Animation vectors.
Oh. My animatics.
Nice. Stay safe.
Stay sanitized.
See you guys all back again in good health.
Bạn trường mà lớn. Với cái nào xuống ấy đâu.